You can't talk to me about a strategy that's already confusing, that already has you to, that already wants you to go to your trading platform and be complicating the chart itself. Like be putting all these lines and all these things. I needed to learn how we got to the lines before I could get to the lines.
Yeah.
Yes, and I needed to do that in a basic way, honestly, because they would speak a lot of jargon, and I understand, I'm not blaming them. For me, the jargon was for people that understood it, and we've all got our own audience that we're talking to. As a beginner, I wanted to do the beginner stuff.
Yeah.